Bond traders are betting on a 2% interest rate increase, and that could cost you $5,000 a year in retirement savings. Here's how a shift in the bond market signals a coming rate hike, and why your 401k and Roth IRA are on the hook. If you're over 35 and thinking about retirement, this is the one thing you're probably ignoring. We break down retirement savings so it actually makes sense, and today's topic affects everyone with a 401k or Roth IRA. Let's start with something you might not notice. When bond traders panic, the Fed usually follows. Right now, the bond market is showing a flight to quality, meaning investors are abandoning riskier assets like corporate bonds and piling into safer government bonds. That's not just a technical term, it's a red flag. Why? Because when investors flee from corporate debt, they're betting the economy is about to slow down, inflation is rising, or both. And when the Fed sees that, they start talking about rate hikes. Here's the kicker: bond market signals aren't just predictive, they're often the first clue the Fed gets. According to Bloomberg's latest analysis, the yield curve inversion, a key bond market indicator, has been widening since early 2026, and that's historically correlated with rate hikes within 12 months. But how does that affect your retirement savings? Let's break it down. Think of your 401k and Roth IRA like a portfolio of bonds and stocks. When interest rates rise, bond prices fall, and that's bad news for retirees who rely on bond income. For example, if you've got a $200,000 portfolio with 40% in bonds, a 2% rate increase could cut your annual returns by 15 to 20%. That's not just math, it's real money. And if you're relying on that income to live off, that's a $5,000 hit every year. But here's where it gets even trickier: the Fed doesn't just raise rates to curb inflation. They also do it to cool down an overheating economy. And when rates go up, your mortgage, car loan, or credit card interest rates might follow. That means even if you're not directly invested in bonds, your cost of living is going up, and that eats into your retirement savings faster than you think. So why is this happening now? The bond market isn't just reacting to inflation, it's reacting to a perfect storm of rising corporate debt, slowing GDP growth, and a housing market that's still recovering from 2025's volatility. And the Fed? They're watching all of it. But here's the thing: most people don't realize how directly bond market shifts impact their retirement accounts. That's what we're going to fix today. Let's get specific. If the Fed raises rates by 2%, how does that translate to your 401k? It depends on your age, your portfolio allocation, and how much you're contributing. But let's take a typical example: a 45-year-old with a $150,000 401k, 60% in stocks and 40% in bonds. Right now, that portfolio might be earning around 5% annually. If rates rise by 2%, and bond yields increase to 5%, from 3%, that 40% in bonds could drop to 3% returns. That's a 2% drop in overall portfolio returns, and that's before considering stock market volatility. Now, let's do the math. If you're earning 5% on $150,000, that's $7,500 a year in returns. If that drops to 3%, you're only getting $4,500, a $3,000 hit. But here's the catch: the 4% rule, a common guideline for safe withdrawal rates in retirement, assumes a 5% annual return. If your portfolio is only earning 3%, you're forced to take out less money each year, or risk running out. That's not just a hypothetical, it's a real problem for people who plan to retire in the next 10 years. And it's not just about the portfolio. Let's say you're 50 and planning to retire in 2030. If you've been saving $5,000 a year into your Roth IRA, that's $50,000 over 10 years. But if rates rise and you're forced to take out more money from your 401k to cover expenses, that $50,000 could be reduced by $10,000, just from the rate hike. That's not a small number. It's a $10,000 loss in retirement savings, and that's before considering inflation. But here's the good news: you don't have to sit back and watch this happen. The bond market is a signal, not a sentence. And if you know what to do, you can protect your savings from this rate hike. Let's talk about how. First, rebalance your portfolio. If you're over 40 and have a large portion of your 401k in bonds, consider shifting some of that into stocks or dividend-paying companies. Stocks are more volatile, but they also have higher growth potential, especially in a low-interest rate environment. For example, if you move 20% of your bond allocation to stocks, you might see a 1 to 2% increase in overall returns. That might not sound like much, but over 10 years, that's an extra $10,000 in savings. Second, use Roth conversions strategically. If you're over 59.5 and have a traditional IRA, consider converting some of that to a Roth IRA now. Why? Because when rates rise, tax rates might follow. If you convert now, you pay taxes on the money at your current rate, and then your Roth IRA grows tax-free. That's a way to lock in lower tax rates before they go up. Third, increase your contributions. If you're under 50 and have an employer match, make sure you're contributing at least enough to get that free money. For example, if your employer matches 5%, and you're only contributing 3%, you're leaving $2,000 a year on the table. But if you increase your contributions to 6%, you get that match, and that's $1,000 more in your retirement account every year. Now, you might be thinking, but I'm 50 and haven't started saving yet. That's okay. Starting at 50 isn't too late. If you contribute $10,000 a year to your Roth IRA, even with a 2% rate increase, you'll still have $200,000 in savings by 65. That's not just a number, it's a real option. And the earlier you start, the more you'll have. So here's the takeaway: bond market signals aren't just for economists. They're for people like you who want to protect their retirement savings. The Fed might be raising rates, but you don't have to lose $5,000 a year. With the right strategies, you can keep your savings growing, even in a high-rate environment. If this is making you rethink how you're handling your retirement savings, hit subscribe. We break down stuff like this every single day. Bond market signals aren't just for experts, they're for people like you who want to protect their retirement. And if you're thinking about what to do next, we've got a video on Roth IRA conversions coming up tomorrow. Stay tuned.